Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of Overwatch 2 crashing for good. So I have divided the video in 3 stages. Firstly, disable the firewall. So for doing that, go to your start menu and search for firewall, and you will be shown this option which is Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Just simply click on that. Then just simply click on Windows Defender Firewall Properties over here, and then click on the firewall status over here. Click the drop box and click on off. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. So after it is done, the next step is just simply right click on your Overwatch shortcut. Then go to the file location. Then go to retail. Then over there you will find Overwatch. So just simply right click on it. Then click properties. Then choose compatibility. Over there, choose run this program as administrator and disable full screen optimization. After doing this, just simply click apply and OK. Then close the windows. Now for the next thing that you have to do is disable game bar. So for doing that, again go to your search, then search for game bar, and then after writing game bar, just simply click on game bar controller settings. Now over here, just simply turn off the game bar setting. Usually this is quite a good software, but it may cause crashes in multiple games. So after you have disabled the game bar, the next step that you have to do is just simply go to graphics, and over here just simply search for Overwatch. Then just simply click on it. Then go to options. Then choose high performance. Then just simply save it. Then go back. Then the last thing that you have to do in the first stage, just simply go to your this PC or your file explorer. Then go to your C drive. Then go to your Windows. Then in Windows, just simply go to your System32 folder, and over there just simply search for this particular file whose name will be given to you in the description box. And if a file by this name is present in your system, just simply delete it. And don't worry, it is not a part of your Windows or Overwatch, so it won't cause any damage to your Windows or game. So if you get this DLL, just simply delete the DLL. And that's it for the first stage. And now for the second stage, what you have to do is just simply go to your battle.net. So just simply search battle.net. Then just simply log into your battle.net account. Now in battle.net, just simply click on Overwatch. Then just simply click on the settings icon near play. Then click scan and repair. Then click begin scan. So if there is a damaged file in your Overwatch 2, it will fix it. So just simply wait for the scanning to complete. Now after the scanning is complete, you have to do the second step, which is again go to your battle.net. Click on your settings. Then go to game settings. Now enable additional command line and enter the command line which is given to you in the description box below. So just simply enter it and click on done. Now after that, just simply restart your computer. So after you've restarted your computer, in the third stage, what you have to do is you have to open your Overwatch game. So just simply open it. So just simply wait for the game to launch. You can close the Blizzard's launcher. Give the permission. So after your Overwatch is open, what you have to do is just simply go to your task manager and close any application which is using huge amount of memory. So just simply close the applications like Chrome, Discord, Slack, overwolf or something like that. So just simply close all the applications which are using maximum amount of memory and CPU. So just simply end them. So after you have done that, just simply go to your settings by pressing escape on your keyboard. Then go to options. Now over here in the dynamic rendering scale, just simply keep it off, and your display mode should be in full screen, but I will not be doing full screen because currently I'm recording, so it will bug out. So you have to do full screen. And lastly, if you have an NVIDIA card in your system, you will find an extra option over here which is NVIDIA Reflexes, and it might be enable plus boost. You just simply keep it on enable or just simply disable it, but make sure it should not be on enable plus boost. Now just simply restart your game and computer, and the issue should be fixed and you will not be having any crashes again. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.